Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. So today's video we are going to be looking at my Etsy store together to see how much I have made for the half of the month. So what I plan on doing is I am going to be giving you guys updates on like half of the month, monthly, quarterly, and we're gonna see how I have been doing. And that way you can see that whatever I have been doing, that I told you about, the five things that I've been doing that has helped me make sales. We're gonna see how far that is going for my business, and that way you guys can see my progress, you guys can see my errors, like you guys can see my growth with me. So that's the reason why I'm going to be sharing that with you guys, half of the month, monthly, quarterly, and of course annually. So I am so excited to show you guys. I am so excited, half of the month, and I have been tearing it up. So I have another Etsy store, and that store has been struggling. So I applied the same thing I told you guys in the video. I'm gonna put the link at the in my description box, or I'm gonna put a card here. You guys will check out that video. And I have been applying that in my other Etsy store, and I have been getting sales. I am gonna be sharing that with you guys as well, that store, so you guys can see that what I told you guys, I applied it on my second store, and that is a sweatshirt store, and I have been doing great. So this morning I got 5 orders from that store this morning. So I'm so excited that that has been working out good for me. I have been so busy lately, and I was thinking about doing print on demand on the sweatshirt store, because my tutu business is really growing so big. So I am just trying to outsource, and even my tutu business I am also out I'm trying to outsource. I am actually training somebody right now so that she can be wholesaling for me, and I have been looking for somebody that is going to be wholesaling for me, but the person has to do it the right way for me. Like, I have a taste, my tutu gotta look certain way so that I can sell it to my customer. If it doesn't meet my, it doesn't meet my taste, I am definitely not gonna go for it. So I am training somebody, like I said, so hopefully she give me what I want. So my business, basically, I am saying this to say that my business have been growing, that I have to outsource because I can't do it on my own. I still have my full-time job, which I am going to be quitting very soon, because my business is growing and I cannot take care of someone else's business and take care of my business. So I have to concentrate on my own business, because that's the aim in life. My aim in life is to have independence. I want to be independent, is to have my own thing going on, is to be financially free. Basically, I don't want to have to clock in for somebody. I want to be financially free. But anyways, let's get onto my computer so you guys can see what I have made for the half of this month. And I have been applying the techniques or whatever. I have been applying what I told you guys on that video, and it's been working good for me. Like I said, I applied it on my second store that has been sitting for months with zero sale, and now I've been getting sales. Like I said, I got 5 sales today, and it is just 4:44 p.m. today. So this morning I got 3, and I'm like, oh, I got 3 sales from that store. Strange. And I got 2 when I kept my phone. I went to the bathroom, and when I came back I got 2 more from. So I'm like, oh, 2 sales right away when I was away from my phone. So 5 sales in total. So what I've been doing has been working. You guys go watch out that video, apply that in your business, apply the 5 things I mentioned in that video. Trust me, you are gonna get some sales, but you gotta be active on Etsy. You gotta put in the work. It's not gonna happen like magic. So anyways, let's get onto my computer, right? All right, guys, welcome to my Etsy store. So I am gonna show you guys my analytics for 7 days, for 14 for 14 15 days, half of the month. so you guys can see my progress. So I intend doing this every mid of the month and the end of the month. So this is for 7 days. I'm just gonna open this, view this detail statistic if I can speak, and I'm gonna go to custom so you guys can see how my progress have been going. And we're gonna start from April 1st until April 15th as half of the month. So boom. As you guys can see, my revenue, so basically this was my visit and for half of the month, and I made 24 orders. I had 24 orders and 1.4 conversion rate, and my revenue is $1,646.45. That is a good revenue. Like, wow. I'm so excited about this. So you guys can see I got a lot of shoppers viewing my listings. So shoppers viewed my listing 3,366 times. So that's an average of 1.98 listing view per visit. That is a beautiful one. And these are all the views that I got and the favorites and all of that good stuff. So but I'm not gonna go into all of this here. It's gonna just waste our time, and you can see my revenue on each of them. So I can view all listen if I want, but I'm not doing all of that. So I'm trying to see, as you guys can see, I did not run no Etsy ad. So I'm starting from this side here. Did not run no Etsy ad, and I got social media visit. I didn't even know social media. I've been getting visit from there because it seemed like everything I do on social media, I'm not, getting likes and all of that. So I just feel like people are not really seeing. So I'm surprised I got 6 visits from social media. So I got Facebook the highest. I got 5. Instagram I got 1. Instagram is the one I always struggle with. So I'm gonna minimize this here. And direct or order traffic I got 125. That is beautiful. So every mid of the month and end of the month I'm going to be checking the statistics so you guys can see with me. And also as you guys can see here, they say according to Etsy, it says I brought 8% of the visits. So okay, at least I tried. So Etsy brought 92% of my visit. That is beautiful. So as you guys can see, Etsy app and other Etsy pages, I got 608. Etsy search, Etsy was able to put me in front of buyers, so 182. And Etsy marketing and SEO 780. That is beautiful. So Etsy marketing and SEO kind of favored me, so that is a good thing. So I am gonna go ahead and click on each of this and see what's up with it. So as you guys can see my statistics here, so Etsy ad and other Etsy pages, I'm trying to see. So these are the listing that was viewed, and I'm trying to see. So this was the search terms. That's beautiful. So I can actually use these search terms to put in my tags, and also my what they call it, my title and all of that, so that I can get more traffic. Because you wanna, when you see all these search terms, you wanna make sure you use them, because that can get you there. So Google, I did not get nothing here, but Etsy, these were all the search terms. I can look, it's a lot. So I'm not gonna be looking through all of these search terms, but at least they were able to find me with those search terms. So 11% of visits, and Etsy marketing and SEO 46%. Advertising, I did not advertise. Social media 1%. Direct traffic 7%. 36% with the Etsy app and other pages. So I'm gonna go back to statistics, and I'm just gonna look at these. Oopsie, I lost that. Sorry, I was waiting for this time so I can do this for you guys, so I can show you guys my progress so far. And Etsy search, this is the one I'm actually interested to see how it was going for me with the search. Oh, actually this is the Etsy search. So everything that we've seen there, that's the same thing that we're finding here. So this very day I had um a lot of search, because from this here, this graph, it's showing me that there was a lot of traffic here, and later it kind of dropped and dropped. Of course, right now it's like so early in the morning, I shouldn't be here doing this actually. But it's all good. So I'm gonna go to back to statistic. Do I have to do this again? No, goodness gracious. So I'm gonna apply that so you guys can see my statistics, and you guys can see I have orders that are still open, and those are like 10 of them. So you guys have seen exactly what I made for half of the month. I made $1,646.45. I'm looking at my computer while I'm talking, and 24 orders, y'all. And my visit was 1,799 visits. Oh my gosh. And my conversion was 1.3%. That means a lot to me. I am so excited. So I'm excited about this whole growth, and I am so ready to see how the next 15 days is gonna look like. Hopefully there's more sales. I'm just gonna keep on applying what I have been applying, and hopefully the sales just keep on growing. The store is growing. I'm so excited. And you guys seen everything. I am not just speaking, I am a visual person. I gotta see what you're talking about. I gotta see proofs, and you guys see my proof. My proofs, there's proof in the pudding, honey. There is. So I'm so excited, and you guys know I'm not just talking because I want to talk about Etsy or I want to promote Etsy. It's because something has been working for me. If something is not working for me, guess what? Your girl is not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna be 100 with you. I'm someone that is very real. I'm gonna say exactly what it is. I don't hide nothing. So boom, Etsy is working in my favor. So thank God the algorithm is working in my favor. So I'm just gonna keep on applying everything I have been applying. I'm not gonna change nothing. I'm just gonna improve on my SEO, and that's one thing I have to do. I have to spend some time, because that can change a lot for me. And I have to, one thing I always tell myself, I have to apply, I have to always add new listing. I have a lot of pictures that I have taken from all my orders, but I've not had the time to like list them, so I have to give some time for them. I have been so busy, so freaking busy. Like Etsy have been keeping me busy, I'll tell you that for sure. I have no regrets. I am excited, and if for me to go outsource, you should know I'm really busy. So it's been really busy. I'm happy and excited. So I just wanted to share it with you guys, so you guys can see that what I shared with you guys, I have been there's huge progress. I have been applying everything that I applied, that I spoke about in that video, and it's been working out good for me. If you guys are wondering what video I'm talking about, I'm gonna put it in the description box so you guys can check it out. I shared exactly what I have been doing that has changed my Etsy game and everything. So you guys check it out, apply that, make sure you improve your SEO. That's your title and everything I mentioned in that video. Just follow it and be patient, and it's gonna come through. So my first sale, after doing my first actual sale that I got in the month of February, that was my actual sale from a random person I don't know. That's what I consider a sale. Not the ones that I had family members purchase from me or friends. The one that a random person purchased from me, that's the one I call an organic sale. So I applied what I told you guys in that video, and I got that sale. I was so freaking excited, and that sale was actually kids t-shirts. I was so freaking excited. I remember telling my husband, I just got a sale, because I had the ching ching. I could not believe it. I'm like, I got a sale? Where? Which store? Because I got two Etsy store and I checked it. It was that one. I'm like, whoa, this is my actual sale. I was freaking out. And come to check it, I was like, hey, it's a t-shirts. I'm like, it's not a lot of money, but I do appreciate it. I was so excited. My husband was looking at me. I was like, you have no idea. Getting a sale from Etsy, it's a big deal. So I was excited and I got that order ready. I was so fast about it. I got it ready, boom. And that sale prompted more sale, and it started coming gradually. Etsy started pushing me forward gradually, and they got me up. But I'm still coming up. You know, I'm not up there like other big stores, but I'm getting there. You better believe it. I'm gonna be sharing my numbers. I'm gonna be sharing everything with you guys. And yeah. So, but anyways, guys, I'm excited about this whole thing. I just wanted to come up here and show you guys, share with you guys all my progress, and so you guys can know that what I shared with you guys is for real. It's working for me, and I'm gonna be sharing numbers every month. I'm gonna be sharing numbers every middle of the month. I'm excited, as you can tell. I'm gonna be sharing numbers every half of the month, every quarter, every half of the year, every whole year, like annually, quarterly, mid-year, like monthly. You know, I'm just gonna be sharing stuff with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Share this video with somebody that you think will need this information, just to motivate them. And also do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can know when I post a video. But I'm excited to share everything with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is free. You don't have to pay nothing. It's just to support your girl. And as always, do not forget to stay positive, work hard, and let's make this happen. Bye.